For today's video, magluluto tayo ng seafood bowl with spicy garlic butter with Cajun seasoning. Start na tayo magluto. So yan, nagpakulo na ako ng tubig. Yung tubig nilagyan ko lang ng asin saka paminta. Syempre uunahin natin yung mais kasi matigas po yan. So yan, nalagyan natin yung crabs. Pag naluto na yung crabs, isit aside na natin yan. So yan, isusunod natin yung hipon. Sa mga nanonood pa hanggang ngayon, paki-comment naman kung taga saan kayo para malaman ko kung saan nakarating yung video natin. Try nyo to sa seafood guys, sobrang sarap to. Kaso nga lang medyo magastos. Paminsan-minsan magluto din tayo ng mga ganyan pagkain. So yan, luto na yung hipon. Sit aside na natin yan. Isusunod na natin yung tahong. So yan, nalagyan natin yung tahong. Bali hindi na ako magsasalita ng mahaba. Music maestro.
Oy, oy. I'm sitting here in the boring room. Just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around and I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder, I'm driving around in my car. I'm driving too fast and then I'm driving too far. I like to chase my point of view. I feel too lonely but I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happened. And I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. Whoa, yeah, turning my head up and down. I'm turning around, and all that I can see is just another lemon tree. But the thing about that, I'm sitting here, I miss the power. I like to go out and taking a shower, but there's a heavy cloud inside my head. I feel so sad, put myself into bed. Well, nothing ever happens, and I wonder. Isolation is not good for me, yeah. And isolation, I don't wanna see on a lemon tree dipping around in a desert of joy. Or maybe anyhow I get another time and everything will happen. And I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky,